Okay, we have our head all painted. So now we're going to put our eyes in. So what you're going to want to do is we have these acrylic eyes here that we're going to use. And what you do is you set them in where the eyes go. And then hold it above your head so you can center them. Get them centered before you put the plaster in there. So we got them sitting in there. So we're going to use plaster of Paris. You just add water to it. Got it all mixed up here. So you want it to be kind of runny so it'll go in around your eyeball all the way. So now you just take your spoon and drop it in where it goes. And then once you get it in there like that, then you're going to tap this around so it will seed all the way around that eye for you. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes to set up, then you can move on to your next step. Now while it's still wet like that, you want to check your alignment again, because it does tend to move on you a little bit when you pour that in. So once you get your alignment set, now set this aside and let it set up and dry. So you can adjust the eyes right now while it's still wet. Once it hardens up, you won't be able to move them. Thanks for watching.